Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Paul Begley channel analytics. He has uploaded 13,442 videos. He now has 345k subscribers with a total view of 203,306,361 views. He's from US, and his channel type is news. He created his channel since March 1, 2010. The grade he got is B, and his social blade ranking is at 85,480th. The subscriber ranking is 76,116th, and then video view rank is 27,612th. He ranked at 16,047th in US and 2,208th in news. Next, the daily subs for Paul is around 67 with a daily view of 36,305. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 36,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $114. Then, monthly income will be $4,320. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $2,376 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $28,512. That is how much Paul Begley earns from YouTube.